Is your Discord stream lagging, stuttering, or freezing for viewers? Stream lag can ruin gaming sessions, watch parties, and presentations, but the good news is that it's usually fixable. In this guide, I'll show you the most effective ways to reduce Discord stream lag and improve streaming performance. First, test your internet connection. Discord streaming relies heavily on upload speed, so make sure your network is stable. If possible, switch to a wired connection for better reliability and lower latency. If your stream is lagging, try reducing the stream resolution or frame rate. Lower settings use fewer system resources and less bandwidth, which can make streaming much smoother. Streaming can be demanding on your system. Open Task Manager and close unnecessary applications, especially those using significant CPU, memory, or network resources. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause performance issues. Open Discord settings, disable hardware acceleration, and restart the app to see if streaming improves. Outdated software can lead to lag and compatibility problems. Make sure Discord is updated and install the latest graphics drivers for your system. If you're streaming a game, lowering its graphics settings can free up resources for Discord. Even small adjustments to visual quality can significantly improve stream performance. And that's how to fix Discord stream lagging. By optimizing your network, adjusting settings, and reducing system load, you can usually achieve smoother streams in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully your viewers are enjoying a lag-free experience now. Thanks for watching.